Because Oyabia Imo State, crisis everywhere. They go with it. See, inside bush we there. Political crisis. Nobody should come. Nice community we there. If you can listen, they hear gunshot here and there. Gunshot here and there. But more now they pray for us, so we will come back safely. I say, I do this video. May everybody know.
This is just a tip of what is yet to come. This is just a tip. You see Douglas House, Imo State, you know what? I rest my case. I don't have anything to say. Hope Uzodema, Iburonye Nkai, one negi, Hope Uzodema, your blood, lekwa wa mama, lekwa muma, lekwa bodu, lekwa bogona, one negi. He sent your people to go and kill him because he refused to take bribe, Egobara, your blood money, 50 million, to abandon ESN, to betray his own people, to betray his fatherland, his motherland, to betray Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB, in order to come and serve you, to serve Onde Ibuba, Tono Ibubo, K, an audio security outfit, audio, nowhere to be seen, to come and serve you because of 50 million. You are telling a gallant ESN soldier, a gallant soldier, because of money. Somebody who is under oath to defend his motherland. Ichoko Okolo, because of your blood money, who is not aware that you are a blood man, you are an occultic man, who is not aware what you did in Lagos State to make money, who is not aware that you are a former kidnapper, who is not aware that you are a thief, a criminal, somebody Johi for many years, who doesn't know you. You wanted him to abandon ESN to come and join your gang of criminals, and he said no. Then he said, Jide Kebu, you have succeeded in killing him, but you will never ever succeed to be alive. Go and mark this very word somewhere. You have succeeded in killing him. To kill Ikonso, you have done that, fine, good and well, go and drink your champagne. But you can never ever succeed to be alive. He who kills somebody, what you just told Ikonso is, just go before, start going first, I'm coming. That is what you told Ikonso. You personally, you have told Ikonso, start going first. You are coming also. The same way, all the saboteurs, all the conspirators, everybody whose hand is involved to sabotage Ikonso to the land of no return, you are following up. We have all the evidence. We have all the telephone conversations. The way you called DSS to tell him that Ikonso is around. The way you told him that he's sleeping right now in his father's house. The way you directed them. We have evidence. We are coming for all of you. If you like, hide. If you like, use the peanut that Hope Uzodinma, the murderer, has given to you to travel abroad. If you like, travel to America, travel to Kafanchan, travel to any place you like. IPOB is everywhere. We can never ever forget Ikonso. We can never ever forget him. And anybody who is involved, you know yourself. We know you. IPOB knows you. We are coming for you. You can never ever go scot-free. My people, this very incident made me, that's why this very channel has not actually produced any news since morning. Because we are shocked. We have never believed it. An innocent man who is also fighting for Hope Uzodinma for his own land, where his mother goes to farm, is also safe. Can you imagine how foolish our people are? How foolish and stupid our people are. Fulani is coming. Haji Kabia. Fulani Jika Abia. The Fulani incursion to Biafra land, to the Atlantic Ocean. Unless ESN, apart from ESN, nobody can quench them. Nobody can stop Fulani. Nobody can stop Fulani. And that is to show you how these people are so blind that they can't see, that they cannot read history, even if history is deleted from Nigeria study. Now, you can't see what is going on in Ebonyi State. You can't see what is happening in Enugu State. Fulani herdsmen terrorists chased away sitting governor with AK-47. And the police was there. Army was there. 82 division is in Enugu State. They couldn't do anything. But when now the indigenes now, the Enugu now, rose up to say enough is enough, police awega, army awega, ebido bawa tear gas, ebido bawa life bullet. And you said you are a leader, but you can't see. Shame on to all of you. Imo State will be just an example of what will happen to any political office holder in Biafra land. Thank you, my people. Share this news and make it go viral.